Traders taking a look here at XDC USD. So this is the this is calculated by TradingView. If you look up on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the pair I am using here, and this is calculated by TradingView. XDC USD. We're on a daily chart. We're on TradingView. We are on the 3rd of May. So what is going on with this chart? This is going to be a relatively quick video. And let's see here. So obviously this thing has been in a downtrend here, creating lower highs, lower lows, and so on. Really got some momentum going to the downside in March of this year. Let's zoom in a bit here to more recent times. So it looks like our bottom for now is down in here on the 24th of February. That low was, it looks like 4 cents according to this chart. And it looks like the selling has dried up for now, and we are in this sideways basing structure, perhaps getting ready to actually make a launch higher here for XDC. We got close here. We tried to put in a new high. We actually did put in a new high, got reversed on, and we're basically pinned right to that level. And you can see that over here. We got a nice break above that high on the 29th of April. Reversed hard with the rest of the markets on the 30th, and we've just been kind of holding steady, pinned at that level right now. And looks like that level is right around 6 cents. So this thing is trying to break out higher. Got to have some patience here. Let's see what the rest of the market does. And so far, this is actually looking pretty good, and it's pretty much at an area right here. If I was looking to get into this, I wouldn't mind getting into it basically right where we're at right now. Of course, not financial advice. One thing of concern is this candle is quite ugly. Don't like the way that looks, but if the markets start to show some strength, I think this will actually continue higher from here. But we basically just want to see a higher high come in, and this thing did try once, got denied, so waiting for another pop to the upside here. And this thing could be heading higher, probably run into a little bit of resistance up at the 200-day moving average on the chart. But if the markets are strong and start to show some strength, it should get above that without any issues. So we're basically in this basing structure down here, this rounding bottom here, and looks like to me an accumulation base. So keep your eye on this thing. This thing could see a big pop to the upside. It started to get it over in here on the, looks like the 29th and 28th of April, and then the rest of the markets really got crushed on the 30th. But XDC did not get hurt too bad. Yes, it did reverse after breaking out, but it didn't continue to fall lower like a lot of other markets did. So that is pretty much going to wrap it up here for XDC. It looks like this thing has put in a bottom. It looks like it's ready to break out to the upside, finding a little bit of resistance at these old support levels, and you can see that we're basically bumping our head right there. But once we can get above that, you can see we're into some nice uncharted territory here. So keep your eyes on XDC. Look for it to print a higher high, and then this thing could be off to the races. We'll throw some fibs up here for fun. Looks like we'll be well below the 236 fib level. Put that right there. You can see just to get us back up to the 236, according to this chart, that's up here at that 8-cent level. Let's see, 8-cent level, and then moving higher all the other fibs. So keep your eye on that. We definitely could see a move at least up to that 236 fib level. So gets you up there a couple cents from where we're at today. Now there's a lot of different chart pairs you can use. I am using the XDC USD calculated by TradingView. And but you could definitely check out a lot of the other charts, but they're all similar looking with this similar bottom pattern here, this accumulation pattern. So let's see if this thing can start to continue higher. If it starts to fade, then we have probably seen the highs for now, which was printed on the 30th of April. So markets are oversold. They have been. There's a lot of fear. The sentiment is in good condition. But if Bitcoin decides to crash and head lower, it will drag all of the other projects, at least most of them, along with it. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.